Minister in charge of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya, Paul Lyngdoh, said the department has adopted course correction measures to improve amenities at tourism sites across the state. Talking to the media, Lyngdoh said he had reviewed various tourism sites where amenities are found lacking, stating that a lot of proposals are being prepared in order to refurbish and improve these sites. Meanwhile, the minister also informed that the Meghalaya government is in contact with the Ministry of Tourism for development of tourism circuits in the state.
Had a review meeting on these various existing tourist sites where amenities are found lacking. We will take, of course, correction measures. A lot of proposals are being prepared in order to refurbish and improve these sites. And more importantly, we will also be having another round of consultation with all stakeholders, because a lot of these sites are not the property of the tourism department. We are only supporting the local communities.
Meghalaya